Before the mess, before the name, before they claimed it, before the change. This was native ground, this was home. Before New Orleans had a street or a sound, there were footsteps deep in the sacred ground. Mississippi flowing like a living vein, trading stories, riding wind and rain. Chittimacha held power in the southern land, where the land's wisdom passed hand to hand. Houma read the river like a sacred book, knew every current, every bend and hook. Bayou Gula by the bayou side, name still living though the people died. Akalapissa, Tunica, too many nations, one river view, not lost, just living free, long before 1718. This is the good, before the fall, before the walls, before it all, before the flags, before the guns, before the land was said and done. This is the good, remember well, the river taught them how to dwell. They didn't conquer, they belong. This is where the story's strong. Oh. Mounds rose high for the spirits above, ceremony, burial, earth and love. Mothers held the bloodline true, women led what the people would do. Trade routes wide, no borders drawn, canoes at dusk, prayers at dawn. Fishing, corn, the land provided, only took what nature guided. No kings, no crowns, no need to rule, balance was the only rule. The river fed the mind and soul, connection made the people whole. This is the good, before the fall, before the silence, before the sprawl, before the lies of empty land, before they couldn't understand. This is the good, let it stand, original stewards of this land. If you love this city's soul, you gotta love who made it whole. Who was here? The people. Who knew the way? The people. Who showed them how to stay alive? The people. River speak, drum heartbeat, still alive beneath these streets. Friendships came, they didn't know how to live where the waters flow. Native hands showed how to survive, that help kept the settlers alive. No maps without native trails, no city stands without these tales. The ground remembers every name, even if the books don't say the same. From cypress roots to river song, this culture here is deep and long. You can feel it when the brass band plays ancient rhythm in modern days. This is the good, the sacred start, the beating of New Orleans' heart. Before the bad, before the ugly truth, before the theft, before the proof. This is the good, don't let it fade. Every step on land they made, honor first, before the fall. The people were here before it all. This is the good, before disease, before removal, before erasure. So the truth can be told next.